You can cook. Me sure say you can cook like me. Me go ask me do level 1 and level 2 na food. Me go almost cooking school. Come off for this. Come me not entertaining you, so. Me not entertaining you, so. Just come off. Come off. Me not entertaining you, so. Me not entertaining you.
Many I'm not the me and the chef in the place. We run the kitchen, we are set the place on the jam to be happy. Me make it taste so nice. Me a demand to cook up a spicy curry rice. Yardie belly a medium, come check me radio station. Tuning at the vibes, Fillets your creation. Me a cook it up, yeah. Me a steer it in a pot, music and food, the combination.
Hello folks, so today in our kitchen we are making a unique dish. We're using fresh mackerel fillets and we are pairing it with a whole bunch of vegetables. We have chayote squash, we have scallion and thyme, we have tomatoes and onions, we have cilantro and carrots. We also have a can of tomatoes, okras and corn. We're pairing it in like a semi sort of tomato based sauce. We're just making vegetables with our mackerel. The first thing you want to do, you want to wash your mackerel, and these are individually wrapped mackerel, partly previously frozen, and we just want to wash them off nicely. Then we want to cut up our vegetables and we're gonna start with the dish. All right, now this is a great weekday meal and you can pair it with anything at all. You can have it with ground provisions, you can have it with rice, you can have it with vegetables, or you can just have it by itself like a one pot meal. So I want to quickly season up our meat, and we're not going too heavy on the seasoning because we're gonna be, braising this down with some nice vegetables and stuff. We're using a little bit of fish seasoning, a little bit of minced onion, a little bit of garlic powder, and we're using a little bit of lime and pepper seasonings. You can put whatever you want on this to make it your personal dish, all right? So once we have done that, we add a little paprika and everything. We put a little oil to make sure that everything is amalgamated, and we leave it for just a little bit. Yeah, maybe 4 minutes or so, just to get the flavors a little bit blended. Then we want to put it on in our pot and we're gonna quickly saute our mackerel. All right, so we just fry that, and once we do that on one side, we're gonna turn it. Yeah, and once we turn it, then we're gonna start adding in our vegetables. So here we go. Just make sure it's a non-stick pan because you don't want it to spoil, to break or to stick. All right, and of course mackerel is one of those dishes that, guys, it's very versatile. It does work with almost anything. This would be great with coconut milk as well, but we did it that way already, so we're doing it this way this time. All right, so once we have turned it and we're getting the sear on the other side, we want to start building now on our flavors. We add our garlic to the pan, and then we're also gonna add our red onions, and then we're gonna have our red onions saute a little bit. Then we add our carrots, all right, and our chayote squash, we're gonna add that as well, and our celery. All right, so by the time the fish gets to almost a done stage, the celery, the carrots, and the chayote squash would have been done. Then we're gonna add our fresh tomatoes. As you can see, I just added a little bit of liquid from our canned tomato, okra, and corn mixture, just because we didn't want it to stay and burn. So we're just adding a little bit of liquid, and we're gonna build on flavors. Guys, as I said before, this is a no-brainer dish. Great for a midweek or weekday meal, and you just want to braise this nicely, but not too long before. After you do that, you just want to add your canned vegetables, and then season to taste, and you are pretty much done. Yeah, can you believe how easy this is? You are pretty much done. I'm adding some garlic, and these are sweet garlics, pickled sweet garlic that I'm adding here. So, and again, these are just my preferences. I'm adding a little bit of my jalapeno ketchup, just to give that sauce a nice vibe. But overall, that's it, guys. Yeah, very, very easy, Very quick. Nah pressure your pocket or it nah pressure your belly. I'm having the culantro is ready. I'm adding the culantro. Yeah, trust me, guys. And I can promise you the whole place smell good. And we're ready to plate. For this plating and for this dish, we're doing bulgur with peas. So it's almost like we're making rice and peas, but we're using bulgur as the rice. And there I'm adding a fillet with a little bit of vegetable on top and just nice up the plate, make the plate look good. You understand? Add more vegetables, add some lemon slices, and we are ready to eat. Look at this, guys. Tell me, would you try this in your neck of the woods? Would you want to taste this one in your neck of the woods? Remember, we're using fresh mackerel. Yeah, and mackerel fillets are awesome. They're very versatile. Yeah, so I do hope that you will try this in your neck of the woods. Yardie Belly TV. You understand? Good food. Remember to like, share, and subscribe and tell a friend. We are live on TikTok every Tuesday and, of course, on YouTube every Thursday. And, guys, if you don't see us on live, it means something occurred. Otherwise, from that, we are out there and we are live, all right? But this is just a taste of what we did on our regular Tuesday live on TikTok, and I do hope that you will like it. Remember, Yardie Belly TV, good food, nice food. Follow us, like, share, and subscribe. All right? Big up on yourself.